Five, four, three,
So people, open na ang Berry Box Oroqueta City Branch. Ali na mo! Wow, grabe ka bongga din ang opening sa Berry Box kay Nia, si Brenda Mage, and then si Nang Adoracion. Oh, sobrang enjoy.
Hi everyone, good morning. This is Nang Adoracion Official and I'd like to invite all of you to visit the newly opened branch of Berry Box here in Oroqueta City. Mga ka-people, what's up? Unsay pamahaw? Unsay na shot diya?
Hello sa lahat ng mga ka-people dyan sa Oroneta. Open na po ang ating Berry Box Oroqueta Branch. Kadlong adlaw, ay buy one take one. So tomorrow maybe buy one, 3 days ang buy one take one. Kaya pumunta kayo dito para magka-diabetes na kayo.